This is from Nooks. Use what you have. I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Longwear Weightless Foundation. I have this in shade Golden Almond. And the brush I'm using is MAC 196. I'm just going in stamping motion. I'm not using much. I'm using like 2 pumps. This is super quick routine that I normally do. You know, we are not doing much, just trying to correct the skin. I'm using Profiter Concealer. This is in shade 380. I'm going to use a little here, as well as taking a sponge to go all over the face to get rid of brush strokes. I'm gonna stop here. I'm not using contour. I will use a bronzer to replace contour because some of you are saying the steps is too much. So yeah, I'm trying to keep it simple for you guys. Let's quickly set it with a powder and call it a day. Taking it up with a powder puff, gently press it into the skin. Use the ABH powder contour. I have this in shade Mahogany. I'm using Sephora Pro 90. I'm using the tip of the brush to pick up. And I'm going to use this as a contour shade. Just a little bit. I would have used the Fenty Mocha Mummy bronzer. But since I didn't contour, I feel like that would be too red because it kind of has more warmth to it than the ABH one. So if you decide to dish contour and go for bronzer instead, use a bronzer that is not too red. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is kind of red, but it's not as punchy as this. So if I dish contour and I use bronzer to replace contour, I go for this type of bronzer instead of this. But with contour on and everything, this work better than this. So yeah, if you dish contour, make sure you are using a bronzer that is not super warm. Okay, all right. I'm dishing a lot of steps just to keep it simple, you know. So don't say the steps is too much. I don't want to hear it. Doing the contour placement, I will now do the bronzer placement over the contour placement. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then blend them together. Taking a smaller brush and take a little, tap away excess and go over the nose area and blend it to the eyelid, you know, just like this. Take back the powder puff with no additional product. I go at the bridge of the nose and under the bronze area. Take back the contour brush again and go over it, you know, just like this. Let's quickly do the eyebrows and attend to the eyelid and call it a day. I'm using eye pencil I got from my local store. this, I just follow the natural brush shape and I fill in the sparks, then comb it downward and cover the area where so I'm going to use Natasha Denona Walk and Set Cream Liner. I use this all over my eyelid. I'm using M139 and take a little, go dab, dab, dab all over the eyelid. You know, just like trying to bring some sort of a color to the lid. If you don't have any cream liner or any brown eyeshadow, you can use your bronzer to achieve the same thing. I'm using this because I'm just looking for a way to use it up. I've had it sitting here for a long time, so I'm just looking for a way to use it up. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to use setting spray before the mascara. Then after the setting spray, I take a blush. This is the Sephora Colorful Blush. I have this in shade Fascinated. I'm going to place a little of that here. You know, just... Okay, let's quickly do the lips. I have gloss on. I'm not going to take it off. So I'm going to use a brown liner to line the border of the lips. You know, just like that. I'm gonna use let's use this Comfort Lips again. This is kind of growing on me. At this point, you can put on your lashes with a little inner corner highlight and you're good to go. But I love all things shiny, so I'm gonna use this shade as a topper and place it over it, just like this. I'm not using much, I'm using just a little all over the lid. Take back the smaller blending brush and blend the edges a little more. If you don't have a topper, just use highlighter. It will serve equal purpose. I'm going to use mascara. This is the Sephora Big by Definition. Okay, let's put on the lashes. I'm taking place a little of the topper at the bridge of the nose. Yeah, and a little here. The same thing on my eyelid at the bridge of the nose. I like to do this even though I don't Even though I no longer do highlighter, but I like to do this. Let's put some on the inner corner. You know, I'm using the same shade at the inner corner. I no longer do brow bone highlighter, but damn it, let's just place something there. You know. Okay, it looks like they are pretty good to go. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Let me do a little gloss. You know, this is pretty much it. Quick and easy holiday simple makeup. And so we round up. Drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. See you after. Bye.